Here we come to the elevators at the Arion 4th in Tucson, Arizona. These are Otis Gen3 elevators, and they have Otis Series 8 fixtures, the new generation. These are brand new, installed just this year. And all these are on the same controller. You can hear the motor.
The belt-driven MRL.
Yep, these are MRL. Hear the Otis voice.
That's a loud chime.
Not terrible.
Going down.
Very nice, brand new Otis store equipment. Everything's Otis on this elevator. And you can actually see the motor drive.
The light's on.
Yeah. I'm not sure how long it does.
It's gonna nudge, hang on.
Alright, let's go down to 1. And here we go. Let's get our cab view. Brake release, capacity 3,500 pounds. Otis Gen3 MRL, brand new.
There's a camera in there.
First floor.
Light.
Yep,
Alright, here we
there's a
go.
camera and Otis voice.
Going up.
Older lantern, older style lantern. Here it goes, and that's it.